Hey, what's up, guys? I want to show you this one. It's a hightron knives, hot knives, hightron. Anyway, it's a 14C 28N. It's got a really nice blade on it, carbon fiber. It's like a G10 mix, and yeah, I like the blade length, like the opening hole. It's got a thumb stud and an opening hole. It's an axis lock. It's got good pocket clip, nice screws in there, good centering, back spacer, and just really nice handle. 14C steel, a nice edge termination. Yeah, I like that one. Good action. Opens up a lot of different ways. Have a good one.